So hi everyone, this is the second session of SystemVerilog where we will see about the variables. Okay, so first of all we should know what is variable. So variable is a named a storage location used to store a value during the program execution. Now this seems a very complex definition. Okay, so I can make it easy for you. I defined here what I wrote here is a variable is like a container that stores data. That's it. So variable is nothing but a container which stores data. That's it. It's very easy, right? So we are giving, like what you can say, we are giving a name to a particular location. That location is going to hold some value. That is nothing but a variable. Okay, in a simple word. So for example, you are declaring int a. Now here int is a data type. A is a variable name. And this a is a variable name of a container which is going to store a particular int type of value. Okay. So see here, suppose I am doing suppose I am declaring a variable int data type, that is int a, and I am assigning a is equals to 10. So see here, int is a data type, right? Int is a data type. Now a is a variable name, that is nothing but your container, which is going to store a value 10. I hope you understand this thing, right? It's very simple. It's a container which is going to store some data. That's it. Now another variable I declare string. Now I am saying string name. See, this string is a data type. Okay. So here string is a data type, and I am assigning this string name is equals to, this name is equals to VLSI Pro. Okay. Now this name is nothing but a variable name. That is nothing but a storage. Which type of a storage? String type of storage. Here which type of storage? Int type of storage. Okay. So it will be different, right? It will be different. Whatever the data type you mention, that storage will become that type. Now VLSI Pro is a value. Okay. I hope you understand this variable. Now there is some rules which is going to follow when you are declaring a variable. When you are writing the variable name, so variable name, it should not be random, right? There should some rules to write a variable name. How you will do that? See, in this character is allowed, like letter from a, capital A or a small a, it also allowed, digit also allowed, underscore also allowed. So whenever you are going to declare a name of the variable, that time you should careful, these things allowed. Okay, first character must be letter and underscore. Okay, so first character of the variable name should be letter or underscore. That is compulsory rule. It cannot start with a number. So you cannot start variable name with a number. It's a case sensitive. Case sensitive means upper, like suppose you declare small a, it is different from capital A. You should not consider both as same. It is different. Now reserve word, like SystemVerilog, I told you it has more number of construct keyword is there. So whatever the reserve keyword which is present in SystemVerilog language library, you cannot use as a variable. What are the keywords? Like logic, reg, input, output, struct, union, class. These things you cannot use as a variable name. Space. Now let's talk about the space. No space or special symbol. You should not use special symbol or spaces such as dollar, hash, minus, plus. You cannot use this as a variable declaration inside the name. Okay. Now see the example. What are the correct and what are the wrong example? So see, you cannot start with a number, right? So this name of a variable is wrong, right? It's a wrong variable name. Now where 3, this is right. You can start with the letter and you can end with a number. You can put inside the here also v3ar, you can write like this. It's right. Now you can start with underscore. So just to remember, starting point is number. It is not allowed. Letter and a space is allowed. That's it. Sorry, letter and underscore is allowed, not space. Sorry. Now variable underscore int, this is allowed, right? It's right. Now bit, I am declaring bit data type, and I am saying int is a variable name. It is wrong, right? Because it is a construct, it is a system verilog keyword. We cannot use as a name of the variable. Okay, I hope you understand. Now in this, you seen, right? This is, I am saying this is a data type. I am saying every time this int is a data type, this name, this string is a data type. So what is a data type actually? What is the meaning of data type? So a data type specify what type of data a variable is going to store. So you see here what it is telling. This int is telling what type of data this variable a is going to store, means int type of data. So what data type is telling? It is telling what type of data the variable is going to store. So here the same definition I wrote here. A data type specify what type of data a variable can store, such as a single bit, multiple bit, integer, or a string. So all these type of data type we have. Not these only, we have so many data types, we will see later. So in a simple word, a data type defines the size and kind of value that can be stored. Now you may ask, what is size? So kind of value you understood, right? Like suppose I am saying bit, means it will store bit kind of value. Now size means this bit has only one bit size. This is one bit size data type. Okay, so you should understand one bit size data type. So it is defining the size and what kind of value it is going to store. Now you are saying byte. Now this byte size is 8 bits. Now it can store 8 bits of data. And what kind of data it can store? Byte type of data it can store. Okay, so short, int, these are the example of data types. I hope you understand these things. If you understand, then just like this video, and you can subscribe my channel for the further update. So let's meet in third lecture. Bye bye.